Here we go. So one of the jobs that Linda hasn't done as yet is empty our toilet cassette.
Yay! So we thought that I'd get Mark to teach me, because it's a good idea for both people to know how to do all the jobs in case the other person is not well, or you want to have a camping trip with your girlfriends and you want to know how to empty the toilet on your own. You're not going to make me do this all the time from now on though, just saying.
I might.
We all have our jobs. This is not
So,
yours. This is not mine. So, I grab it here. Oh,
yes.
so do the lever.
Yep.
Is that right? Pull it out.
One nice motion.
Yep.
Oh, motion. Pulling out the toilet.
And then carry it like this.
Okay, yes.
Is that right?
Yep. Oh, this is going to be a hoot. So here we are. Somebody's been here before and I asked them to leave the lid open.
Does this turn around?
Okay, so yes, turn the lid around.
To here?
Yep. Unscrew the blue cap and put it on the concrete.
You can see I have my antibacterial wipes ready.
Oh yes. Now I'll show you what to do next. I just gave Linda a few simple instructions. So off you go.
So press the blue button.
Press the blue button
Keep
down.
the blue button in.
Yep.
And in she goes.
In she goes. Oh, look at that. How much fun is that? We're lucky, we're so glad this isn't smell-o-vision.
It's actually not so bad. I
Dots.
don't know if everything's come out.
So, okay, so pull that back out again.
Next step.
The next step.
Slide this, yeah. Oh, are you supposed to do that?
Don't get them back to front. It only is supposed to go one way. Other way.
This way?
Yep.
Okay. So do I leave that open?
Leave that open. No, open
Under
that.
this?
Yeah. Now slide that
What
back.
if it falls in the hole?
Now put some water in it.
So that's to make sure everything comes out?
Yes.
Alright, some water. And there's always water here, hey? Whoa, it's
Okay,
splashing.
so that's enough. So turn the water off.
I love it when toilet water splashes up at me. It's so good.
Yeah, turn the blue thing first. The very technical terms with us, the blue thingy.
Blue thingy and the grey thingy.
Now pick it up and give it a shake.
Give it a swish. Make sure
A bit more of a swish
all
than
them
that.
goodies come out.
Okay, now the same thing.
Oh, am I supposed to hold the blue button?
Yes,
I might not.
that's all right. And so there you have it. That's how Linda empties the toilet cassette for the very first time. We've been doing this for 2 years in this camper. We've had other campers and a caravan. This is the very first time in like 5 years that Linda's emptied the toilet cassette. I think it's a great idea, and I think that Linda should do it a bit more often.
It's not so bad. Actually, it's not so bad.
If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and send us a message of, should Linda have to do the toilet cassette more often?
No, she shouldn't.
Thanks so much for watching.